Hello art lovers, welcome to Power of Aster Art and Peace. Today we are going to create this beautiful painting Summer Beach. So if you like the painting, please do like, share and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy doing this painting. So without any delay, let's start the painting. For the white sky, I'm going to add this Persian blue, and I'm going to add it in a very scattered way so that you can feel that the clouds are floating in the sky. Next is the beach. For it I'm using ultramarine blue, and in a very light shade I'm adding it similarly in a scattered way so that it gets the reflection of the sun. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel, because here you will get very easy and quick watercolor painting for beginners, and I hope you are enjoying it, and I hope you will enjoy in the future as well. So please do support our art community, and let's create a better community together. As you can see, for the flowing rivers I am adding here slight colors, and here for the sand I am adding yellow ochre, and you can also add a little bit of brown or orange to give it a brighter look. Giving dark green for the far forest, and that's enough. That gives a very greenery and nice look to the whole painting. Adding a little more darker shades to the rivers so that it gets a very brighter look, and finally adding some birds flying in the wide blue sky, which is amazing because we all love birds seeing in the sky, and sceneries are incomplete without birds. And lastly, I thought to add some footprints here and there in the sand, because obviously people will be there, which is not visible in our paintings as it's for beginners. So here and there some tall trees far away. So with this we get our whole look complete, and here is the final outlook of the whole painting. I hope you enjoyed doing the painting, and stay happy and keep learning, keep painting until we meet in the next video. Thank you.